Rise and shine, people. Walk-in closet day. What you're looking at here is a walk-in closet. What we need to do is create some kind of doorway here. In my head, I picture a 3-foot doorway, 6'8" high, maybe 7 feet, like a regular doorway, but with a sliding barn door. Now, one thing to know is the whole idea behind these videos is not entirely to teach you how to do something, but just to show you how I did something. One of the fun things is when we bought this house, it's our own, we can kind of do what we want with it. So if you take anything away, take away the fact that sometimes it's a little more fun and it's a little more rewarding to do this kind of thing on your own rather than hire it out. This wall is something I think I could tackle. We're gonna go for it. One thing I watch most framers do is measure it and then make the frame on the floor and then stand it up. So I figure that's what I'd do, and I think if we get close to right, we can always adjust it and tweak it here and there. So I think what I'll do is lay the frame out on the floor, 2x4 frame. It's not structural, we know that, because we took out this wall, which was dividing these 2 bedrooms. Now if you haven't seen that, there's a demolition video. I can link it down there. Take a look at that. Like it if you like it. If you don't like it, don't dislike it. It's rude. Get all the kinks worked out when it's on the ground. Hopefully stand it up and it fits. We'll see how it goes.
Emily just invited us and we wanted to their renovation and get into a the keynote not be done. We don't actually allow it to be really pretty to snack for the we want to go.
Chances of this fitting on the first try are pretty damn slim, but...
No. I believe in you.
Oh. Come on, Betsy. Don't ruin my day.
See?
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Hey, look at our closet. It's so giant. Yeah.
First framing experiment complete.
Proud of you.
Chalk it up as a success. Okay. Frame came out perfect. There's definitely some gaps and things in different places, but for my first wall, it's not bad. I just put in this light switch. I moved it from that wall into this wall. Of course, you're gonna wanna do all your wiring before you sheetrock it. Sheetrocking's next. So, we're gonna do our best to sheetrock this thing with whatever we have left from doing the ceiling. Just about got ourselves a walk-in closet. on to some mud and tape. I won't show you that because frankly I'm not very good at it, but hey, it takes time, right? If you want to see the final product, stay tuned, like and subscribe if you like this video. If you want to follow along with us, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't seen the videos prior to this one, check those out. I'll link them up in the description. This thing is coming along. Thanks for coming with us. Appreciate it. Always trust your guide. See you, bye.